Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best henna ink is probably one of the most sought-after temporary tattoo options for its natural ingredients, rich color, and intricate designs. In this video, we will explore the top henna ink products available in the market, comparing their quality, application, and overall user experience, helping you choose the perfect one for your next artistic endeavor, whether it's a simple design or an elaborate masterpiece. Number 5. Inkbox Freehand Ink. With Inkbox Freehand Ink, you get 2 bottles of temporary tattoo ink, applicator tips, a glove, and instructions. The possibilities are endless. Create your own unique temporary tattoos. It's easy to apply. Simply draw your design, wait an hour, wash it off, and watch it develop over 24 to 36 hours. It'll last up to 2 weeks before naturally fading. Because it works with your skin's chemistry, the color may vary slightly. Some may see more blue, others more black, making each tattoo truly unique. This temporary tattoo ink is cruelty-free and safety tested for external use only. Avoid applying it to your face, neck, upper chest, intimate areas, or irritated skin. It's a great alternative to permanent tattoos. Whether it's due to religious reasons, skin conditions, or simply trying out a design, it's perfect for anyone. Our unique formula sinks into the top layer of your skin, developing into a dark blue or black color that lasts up to 2 weeks before fading naturally. What we like? It boasts a long-lasting formula that can stay for up to 2 weeks. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, making it a conscious choice. If you're looking for a safe and durable temporary tattoo, this is it. What people say. It lasts longer than any other things Eve tried, including by this company, and it allows more freedom, which as an artist, I love. It also looks real. Eve had friends ask if I've gotten a tattoo. These bottles are so much fun, and the experience of placing the thick globules of ink on your skin is so relaxing. This is better. It stays on for a week or more and allows for creative freedom of what you want the illustration to be. Number 4. VANLI'S Temporary Tattoo Markers. Express yourself with our temporary tattoo markers. This kit includes 50 unique stencils and 13 vibrant pens, perfect for creating eye-catching body art. Get crisp, consistent tattoos every time with our highly pigmented ink. It's fun and easy to use, whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner. These markers are made with plant-sourced pigments and meet U.S. cosmetic standards. They're safe for use on all skin types, making them perfect for kids and adults. Perfect for parties, festivals, or just everyday fun, these markers add flair to any occasion. They're also easy to wash off with soap and water. As a family-run business, we're passionate about providing high-quality, creative products for families. We hope you enjoy unleashing your inner artist with our temporary tattoo markers. Made with safe, plant-based ingredients, these temporary tattoos are a fun and creative way to express yourself. Get yours today and start creating. What we like? This kit offers a wide array of colors and 50 unique stencils, perfect for expressing your creativity. The easy application makes it fun for all ages. If you enjoy variety and creative freedom, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great quality, nice variety of colors. All markers were smooth and colors were vivid and opaque with some blendability. The templates were cute, fun variety of styles and can easily be reused. There was no bleeding of ink and designs had a crisp line. Ink dries nicely, didn't flake when dry. The tattoos lasted quite a while, through hand washes as well. Removes easily with soap, alcohol, or baby oil. Number 3. VANLI Temporary Tattoo Markers. Want a tattoo but not forever? These temporary tattoo markers let you express yourself without commitment. Create intricate designs and wash them off when you're done. This kit comes with 30 unique stencil patterns. Find the perfect style, or mix and match for a truly eye-catching look. They're great for Halloween, sleepovers, cosplay, festivals, anywhere you want to make a statement. They won't bleed or smear on clothes. These non-toxic, plant-based pens are made for skin. They're easy to apply and won't irritate, but avoid sensitive areas like eyes and lips. Removing them is a snap. Simply wash them off with soap and water for clean skin. The markers contain sodium sulfate, water, sodium carbonate, sodium lignosulfonate, titanium dioxide, CI pigment black 5, pigment red F5R, brown FK. What we like? It comes with 30 unique stencils and skin-safe, plant-based ink. Plus, it's easy to remove with soap and water. If you want a hassle-free temporary tattoo experience, this is the one for you. What people say? Great quality, nice variety of colors. All markers were smooth and colors were vivid and opaque with some blendability. The templates were cute, fun, variety of styles and can easily be reused. There was no bleeding of ink and designs had a crisp line. Ink dries nicely, didn't flake when dry. The tattoos lasted quite a while, through hand washes as well. Removes easily with soap, alcohol or baby oil. Number 2. Temporary Tattoo Kit. It's time to express yourself. This kit lets you create temporary tattoos with ease, perfect for adults, teens, and kids. You'll receive 7 vibrant colors of temporary tattoo ink, 103 unique henna stencils, and a handy pin for easy ink application. Applying these temporary tattoos is a breeze. The stencils make it simple, even for beginners. The pin helps with ink flow if needed. It has a light, fruity scent, making the whole process enjoyable and safe for your skin. It's all about having fun and expressing your style. Enjoy your beautiful, temporary tattoos for 4 to 6 days. Each bottle provides enough ink for approximately 40 small designs. With 7 colors, you can create delicate, colorful, or large tattoo designs. It's much easier to store and use than traditional tattoo markers or pens. What we like? With 7 vibrant colors and 103 stencils, you can create intricate and colorful designs. The bright colors ensure your tattoos stand out. If you love bold, colorful temporary tattoos, this is your best bet. What people say? The colors are dark and last quite a while. The henna stayed a long time and I will definitely be purchasing again. The stencils work great if you press them on well and wait to peel them off after about 20 minutes of dry time. Number 1. Freehand Ink Tattoo Kit. This kit gives you everything you need to create temporary tattoos. Let's explore what it offers. It includes 4 bottles of temporary tattoo ink in black, brown, and red, along with stencils to help you create intricate designs. Made with natural plant extracts, it's safe for your skin. It's free of harmful chemicals, so you can use it with confidence. The natural pigments create vibrant tattoos that can last for 3 to 5 days. It's also waterproof, so it can withstand daily activities. It's simple to use, no extra tools needed. The metal tip allows for precise designs, and the squeeze bottle gives you great control. Always test it on a small area of skin first to check for any allergic reactions. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. What we like? This complete kit includes 4 bottles of ink and 40 stencils, offering great value. Made with natural plant extracts, it's gentle on your skin. If you want a natural and comprehensive kit, this is the ideal option. What people say? The temporary ink stays on for a long time, not on the hands though. It dries fairly quickly and peels off like snake skin. It was really easy to use for someone like me who isn't incredibly familiar with henna and also good for someone like me who draws on my hands. I could freehand or do the cute stencil designs. Plus there is a lot of product so you can do multiple before you need more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.